everyone, in today's video we will be breaking down this reel.
If you're still confused, think of it this way. You have three currencies: time, money, and knowledge.
If you are my Hindi or Urdu audience, just click on the settings on my video and then go to audio track and simply change it to Hindi. And if you want, you can simply change it to any other language you want, and then you are good to go. First, I will just right click here, new item, and I will select a color limit. Make sure the reel resolution okay, and I will select a white background for this, then okay again, and I will bring it to the timeline. I will extend it to the length of our video like this. Now once this is done, we need to add the character. I will just bring in this character here, or I will first just again new item, and I will just choose this rectangle tool and make a rectangle shape layer like this. And now I will go to essential graphics, select the shape, and in the color section I will change it to a bit of blue color, like this blue. This is look okay. Now I will just make sure to add some roundness to this. Now I will go to effects control, disable the uniform scale, and I will just make the scale width to 0, add a keyframe here, then move a few frames, and then the scale which will be back to approximately 100, or I will make it to 90. This will be okay, or I can make it to 100. Now this is looking good. Now we need to create this animation like this. This is done, so the captions will be here. I will just show you how you can do that. There is no animation, just some opacity effect and position. And now to bring this from here under this, I will just go again, and I will just select this again, and I will make sure to make a mask like this. Now I will select the mask and simply just make it here. Go to essential graphics, and I will just make it to white. Okay, now I will just bring it here. Now once this is done, this is animated right here. I will bring it here, and now I will go back and I will bring the man PNG here, and I will just make sure to scale it up like this, or you can just simply scale it down as well. This is looking okay now. Now I will just make sure to bring this graph up and this man down. So if we do the animation of the man, it will be just like this. So I will just select this again, and I will make it to approximately like here. And now I will just set a position keyframe to this man, and at the start it will vanish, and if we move a few frames, it will be brought up from simply just here. Now so our whole animation will be this, and I will just select both keyframes, right click, and I will just ease in them, and from this section I will just select these and simply ease in them as well. If you want, you can simply just bring the keyframes closer to make the animation more fast. Now once this is done, we need to create this one. So how can we create that? I will just make sure to, once this is here, I will just select all these, and I will make cut them, and now I will just right click and nest the other setup. Now I will bring here, and I will add a scale and position keyframe properties, then move a few frames, then I will simply just scale it up and just make it like this. So it will be giving us this animation. I will just select both keyframes, then right click, and I will just ease in. As you can see, I will just bring the keyframes closer to make it more faster like this one. This is looking cool now. Now to create the text, I will just go to essential graphics, and I will bring in this preset right here, like this. You can also use opacity and position properties to animate this. This will be our text animation, and I will just select it. So there are two text. I will just delete the one text from here, and I will just need one. And if we see the animation, think of it this way. So I will just type in think of way, and you can just choose other one. I have just typed this. I will go to text properties, and I will just make sure to change its font to something cooler. This is not old. I will just use this impact font, and now I will just bring it here, just scale it up a bit of this like here. So it will be giving us this animation. Now if we move forward, we have this whole animation. So how can we create that? So this is our ending. I will just make cuts here and then simply just nest them. Now what I need to do, I will select the rectangle tool and press shift alt and then click here, and then it will show the ellipse tool. Now I will want to create a circle, so I will just hold shift and I will make a circle like this. Now I will just go to essential graphics And from here I will just change it to, first I will change it to blue. Now I will make it dark blue, so this is good now. But I will go to effects control and I will select the anchor point, make sure to select it and bring it in the middle like this. Now what we need to do, I will just add a scale keyframe, and for this I will just make it to 0. Now I will move a few frame where I want the animation to happen. So I will be here and I will just make sure to make it like this. And now I will select both keyframes and I will just ease in them. So this will be our animation. I will just make sure to bring it like this, and this will be like here. Now if we move forward, we have this animation, 3 currencies. You can do the same. And if we move forward, we have this animation, these 3. So how can we create that? We cannot create the glass effect easily, so I will just create shape layers and then place PNGs right there them. So I will just again select the rectangle tool and I will make a shape like this. Now once this is done, I will bring it to the graphic part. Once this is animated, so it will be approximately right here. So once this is here, I will just go to effects and I will search for brightness and contrast. I will just make it here, go to effects control and I will make the brightness to something like this, and I will make the contrast a bit of here. So this will be right here. I will go in essential graphics again, and from here I will give it a bit of roundness as well, and I will just add a stroke to it also, so it will be looking good. I will make the stroke value to 1. This is looking cooler now. I will just make it to 15, so it will be like this. And I will just go back, and I know the first we had time, so how can we do that? I will just bring this watch PNG here, go to effects control, and simply I will just make it upwards and place it right here. So this is placed. I will just go to effects. Now if we see, we have the time ratchet text here. So how can we create that? This won't be animated, so I will just be creating a text layer. First I will make it like this, or I will make a text layer here and I will type in time. Now I will select the text, go to essential graphics, and simply I will change its color to first white. And now in the font section, I will change it to this, and the first letter will be capital. So I will go back to effects control and simply just make it smaller, and I will place the text here. So this will be our text. So we need to animate this whole. So I will just select all these effects except the background and I will just nest it. Now I will just go to anchor point and I will select it and make it to the middle of here. Now I will just make sure to add a scale keyframe and I will bring this, and at the start it will be 0. So I will just bring him closer and then right click on them and then just ease in them like here. This is looking cool. Now we need to move it to the left side. So how can we do that? So once this is done, I will just make sure to go here and I will copy these 3 layers and I will just make sure to place it them here. Now what we need to do, I will just delete this and I will bring in the other. We want to bring in money, so I will just bring in money here. So this is already made, so I will just make sure to add money. Now this will be here, so if it comes here, I will just bring these 3 here, right here, and now I will just select all and I will just nest them. Now I will select it and I will just make them here. So once this is animated, I will add another keyframe to hold the animation for seconds, and then I will just make it from here. So it will be giving us, so I will just add here and then I will move a few frames and then I will also add a position keyframe here. The position keyframe will be here, and from here it will just move to the left side. So it will be like this, like here, and then this will also appear. So once this is here, and I will bring it here. Now for this I will just add a scale keyframe anchor point and I will set the anchor point to middle right here. Now I will just make this upwards and I will make it 0. So this will be our whole animation. So I will just make sure to go here and I will position it and right. Once this is, I will just place it here. So I will just make sure to, this is here like this. this. So I will just select this sequence. I will go to scale position properties. I will select the keyframe right here and I will bring it to the frame like this. So it will be now looking like this, or I will just select this one too and I will make sure to position it here. So this will be our whole animation. This will move the frame. Now I will select both and I simply just ease in them. This is not looking good again, so I will just make sure to make it here, and this will now once this is animated, you can simply just add a position keyframe here, and now I can just move it to this position. So our whole animation will be like this. And if we want to create, we will need to create the money and then you are good to go. So that's all for today. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.